Welcome to Hideaway Cove here in Poipu Beach. Our air-conditioned Royalty 3-bedroom, 3-bath consists of our air-conditioned Royal Palm 2-bedroom, 2-bath and our Beachcomber studio. Parking for the Royalty 3-bedroom is in any of these 6 gravel parking places here in front of the 2307 building. For those of you staying in the Royal Palm 2-bedroom portion of the Royalty, take the sidewalk to the far left of the parking lot, continue down the side of the building, turn right, and go up the steps to your lanai. Your keys will be in a sealed envelope with your name on it in a box right next to your front door. Those of you that are staying in the Beachcomber studio, you have a separate entrance. So you'll want to go up the center sidewalk and bear to your right, and then take your first left, go on to your covered lanai, and you'll see your keys in a sealed envelope with your name on it in a box next to the sliding glass doors. For more information, please see our website at www.hideawaycove.com. Click on Accommodations and Rates, and at the top of the page you'll find a lot of useful information, including how far we are from the beach, shopping, and groceries, plus all the many amenities included in our vacation rentals. Scroll down for more detailed information on our air-conditioned Royalty 3-bedroom, 3-bath. You might also be interested in our air-conditioned Big Kahuna 5-bedroom, 4-bath. Feel free to email us at info@hideawaycove.com or call on our toll-free line at 866-849-2426.